Now, we are going to see that not only we have full control over the visualization of the content of the cells by applying different formats to our data, but also we can alter the look of the cells themselves. A cell will always be, for example, the one that is selected, A3. It will always be the same A3, but we can indeed alter the way the cell looks. We can make the cell look bigger or smaller in order to accommodate or better communicate the information that contains. For example, in the specific case that we have here on screen right now, we cannot see the entirety of its content. Well, so for situations like the one I just mentioned, we have a myriad of tools and utilities that we can apply to give a particular style to the cells so that our spreadsheet becomes clearer, sleeker, and easier to understand.